Welcome to Eucharisto Music Academy. Today we have a wonderful topic titled Performance Directions. Performance Directions. And today we have some Italian names and the meaning in English. It's very good as a musician, chorister, instrumentalist, for you to know these performance directions, you know their Italian names and their meaning. So the first one is accelerando. Accelerando. If you do not see accelerando, you will see this ACCL, accelerate. And it means gradually getting quicker. Gradually getting quicker. It's a gradual process, gradually getting quicker. We have adagio. Adagio. Adagio means slow. We have allegretto. It means fairly quick, but not as quick as allegro. While allegro means quick or literally cheerful. This quick is quicker than this. If there is no word like quicker. It's quicker than this. This is also quick, fairly quick, but not as quick as this allegro. We have andante. Andante means at a medium or at a medium speed or at a walking speed. That is andante. We have cantabile. Cantabile. It means in a singing style. We have crescendo. If you do not see crescendo, you see this CRESC dot. This is short form of crescendo. Crescendo means gradually getting louder. We have da capo. Use DC to represent da capo. It means repeat from the beginning. We have da segno, D.S. dot. It means repeat from the sign, this sign. As you go on this channel, you begin to understand them deeply. Yes. We have diminuendo or dim. Diminuendo or dim. It means gradually getting quieter. Gradually getting quieter. We have decrescendo or this DECRESC. It means gradually getting quieter. Quieter too. So diminuendo and decrescendo they mean the same thing. Do you understand? Yes. Fine or fin. Some people call it fine. It means the end. We have F. Forte or forte means loud. When it's a double F means fortissimo. That's fortissimo, and in English it is very loud. Legato means smoothly. Lento, slow. Mezzo means half, here mezzo soprano. Mezzo half. MF, M is mezzo, F is loud. So when you put them together, you have mezzo forte, which is moderately loud or half loud. M is mezzo, P is piano. When you put them together, you have mezzo piano, and it means moderately quiet or half quiet. Don't forget, P is for piano. Then you have MP. Okay, moderately piano, I've done that. Let's come here. Moderato means moderately. Allegro moderato means allegro quick. Allegro moderato means moderately quick. Allegro moderato means moderately quick. Are we together? Yes. Now we have normally we say allegro moderato, so it would have been quickly moderate, but it's moderately quick. P is piano, and it means quiet. PP is pianissimo, and it means very quiet. Poco means a little. When you hear poco a poco, it means little a little. We have rolletando or roll. It means gradually getting slower. Gradually getting slower. We have tempo. Tempo means speed or time. Now come we have retardando or retard or rit. Retardando, retard, or rit. They mean the same thing. It means gradually getting slower. Don't forget for the retardando, gradually getting slower. We have ritenito or retain or rit. Ritenito, retain or rit. It means held back. And we have staccato, which means detached. Do you understand? Yes. The one there, this that is the symbol for crescendo, like a greater than, lesser than symbol. Crescendo means gradually getting louder. Why this is the opposite of crescendo? This is diminuendo, means gradually getting quieter. This, you see this, over two or more different notes. Take note. Over two or more different notes. It's a slow. A slow. And it means that you should perform the note smoothly. When you see HVA, it means an octave or octave, an octave. Now, when you see something like this, HVA line like this one's coming down. It means to perform an octave higher. And you mostly see this over a note. You see it over a note. When you see it over a note, it means you perform that note an octave higher. When you see something like this under a note, it means to perform that note an octave lower. Then when you see a dot over a or under a note, something like this, it means staccato. Over a note or under a note means staccato. Now this over or under a note means accent. Now take note the difference between an accent and a diminuendo. An accent is just like a short, see, but the diminuendo is a bit larger. This, understand? Now this is like an I. When it's over or under a note, it means what? Pause. Pause. Under the note. Pause. Means pause and note. You understand? Yes. So still on performance direction, we have something like this. You see something like this. It's a repeat mark. It means a repeat mark. It's a repeat mark. Yes, one of the signs to show that they repeat the song from a particular place. Then this is M.M. We have more crochet in 72. Now, this M.M, which is here, is Maes's metronome. It's called Maes's metronome. It's MM, Maes's metronome. But when you have something like Maes's metronome, MM, crochet equals to 72, it means 72 crochet beats in a minute. You can see something like this, or you just crochet equals to 72. It means 72 crochet beats in a minute. For instance, you see something like M crochet equals to 100. Equals to 100. That is 100 crochets. 100 crochets beats in a minute. Are you getting? Do you understand? Yes. Thank you for watching up to this time. Our videos have been helpful to you, and making the subscribers like our videos, comment on our videos, spread and share. Yes. Bye.